Stop on team.
It's all about the game.
Yeah.
No comments. I can write you better. No comments than any bitch that's ever written you before.
What are you doing tonight?
Mustangs, number 1, all right.
Mavericks.
Mavericks, all right.
Had a few drop balls, but other than that, I thought we executed offensively quite well.
Come on, this is the first time you haven't said anything.
Rule the roost.
All right.
What? No, we did. No, sir, we did not. What? No, we did. No, sir, we did not.
It's pretty tight.
What?
Yeah.
No, what?
So anything controversial yet, did you see?
I think it's been a pretty clean game so far, but
I ain't even gonna try to compete against that.
The definition of sassy.
Right there.
What do you think we're gonna do today?
Oh, we're gonna win.
Is this thing on? Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna win.
Is this thing on? Yeah.
What?
Remember last year when I showed everybody my ass? Remember that? Has anything changed? I ain't gonna do it again. Oh, come on!
She thinks Scott and I are not funny,
They're so.
and that's horseshit.
I see you, baby, shaking that ass, shaking that ass, shaking that ass. I see you, baby, shaking that ass, shaking that ass, shaking that ass. I see you, baby, shaking that ass, shaking that ass. I see you, baby, shaking that ass, shaking that ass, shaking that ass. I see you, baby, shaking that ass, shaking that ass, shaking that ass. Close your eyes and get sexy with it. Woo! I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't be looking at me like that now. I see
way to
ya.
go, Jamie.
Come on. I see you. Get busy with it. Make it on down. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking it. What? Come on. What? Woo! What? Come on. What? Take it on down.
Beautiful.
A good quarterback knows when to fire the ball in there and when to take a little off of it.
Beautiful.
What? Take it on down. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass.
So anything controversial yet, did you see?
I think it's been a pretty clean game so far, but
I'd like to build
Pretty tight.
the world a home and furnish it with love. Grow apple trees and honeybees and snow white turtle doves. I'd like to teach the world.
We have videotape to prove it.
In perfect harmony. I'd like to hurry and keep it company.
That's a punt. Defender made a nice play on that one.
In my dreams, I'm dying all the time. Then I wake, it's kaleidoscopic mind. I never meant to hurt you. Never meant to lie.
Get in there! Good one!
Perfect coverage on that receiver, never had a chance at the ball.
Good, Donna?
The defender did a great job on that play.
Extra point.
Run skinny slants, we're gonna go 10-yard out, swing left, drag, drag. I got this guy. Huddle up. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
I'll tell you what, that was a heck of a hit. Not too many guys are going to catch a ball when they get hit that hard.
Hey, Donna, you just wanted him to stick around a little bit longer, I think, on that pass. Can't get him off. Who let the dogs out?
Like I bought this body pillow, which is like.
You got James, you got Big Steve, you got Claw.
First half went.
Pretty good. Had a few drop balls, but other than that, I thought we executed offensively quite well. Defensively, made some plays.
Yeah, we got to stop them on D. Stop them on D.
It's all about the game.
It's game.
Trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.
Kincaid's all you can drink until 3 for us. We might have to take advantage of that opportunity.
That's the MVP right here.
Yeah. You were really hyped for this game out there.
Yes, I was.
These guys could not do anything on offense. You guys played a tough defense. What do you think the key on that was?
Swoop. He's got an awesome game. Took care of the big man on the left side.
Won another championship. Congratulations.
What's that, 3 in a row? I can't keep count anymore. What's up?
And Jamie had an awesome game on D. That first pick down in the end zone was that was the game breaker right there. They were going in for a score. Jamie said, "Arba, we're going the other way."
I think we outmatched them anyway. Defense, offense, quarterback, everywhere.
I think the better team won today.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice game.
Thanks.
Excellent, you guys. High five the camera there. Another season comes to an end. But what a way to end it. With a decisive win. Another championship.